There is a widespread complaint that the younger generation has lost the ability to focus on long books. We hear constantly that their attention spans are broken. Their reading comprehension is entirely intact. The struggle to finish a book is a deeply, stubbornly logistical problem. Modern school bags are maxed out. They are packed to the zippers with mandatory textbooks, heavy laptops, and the essential hardware required for a modern education. This chart breaks down a student's daily load, both physical and mental. By the time you account for school hours, extracurriculars, and homework, their capacity reaches 100%. Traditional books require long, uninterrupted blocks of focus that simply do not exist in a schedule this dense. Even when a student wants to read, they look at a heavy, 500-page novel and make a practical calculation. The book gets left on the nightstand. The traditional format of a printed book is struggling to find a place within the highly compressed reality of a modern student's daily life. Look at this 24-hour timeline. Between the large blocks of mandatory classes and studying, you'll see these tiny gaps glow right here. In Malay, this is called selamasa, the micro moments. These are fragmented 5 to 10-minute windows scattered throughout the day. You know these moments well. It's the time spent waiting for the bus, riding the MRT, or those few idle minutes before a teacher walks into the classroom. Because traditional books struggle to fit into these short, unpredictable windows, a vacuum of attention opens up. That vacuum is instantly hijacked by smartphones and algorithms designed to fill every spare second. Literature is losing the battle for youth attention because it lacks a delivery mechanism designed for this specific, high-speed arena. Saving the reading culture requires re-engineering the format of literature to thrive inside a 5-minute window. CETERPEN is a deliberate innovation engineered specifically to reclaim these stolen micro-moments. As this 3D animation shows, its construction is radically simple. The entire book is created from a single sheet of paper, folding inward upon itself to form an illustrated miniature booklet. This creates supreme ergonomics. It bypasses the overloaded school backpack entirely by sliding directly into a shirt or pants pocket. Because it weighs practically nothing, students can carry it all day without any physical burden. While a bulky novel stays at home, CETERPEN travels with the reader, ready for deployment the second a micro-moment opens up. By stripping away the physical mass of a book, CETERPEN removes the logistical friction that stops young people from carrying literature with them. These booklets are engineered for narrative density. They offer a high-quality alternative to the disposable fragments found in social media algorithms. The literary architecture inside a CETERPEN contains genuine conflict, emotional weight, and clear moral stakes. The word count is strictly calibrated so a reader can start and finish the entire narrative within a standard transit weight. The story resolves quickly, but the questions it provokes are designed to linger in the reader's mind long after they board the train and the micro-moment ends. CETERPEN transforms idle, wasted waiting time into a complete, intellectually stimulating narrative experience. This format serves a specific niche, coexisting with full-length novels and academic texts rather than attempting to displace them. Its strategic purpose is the pintu masuk, the gateway. It is a tool designed to rehabilitate a fractured attention span. This flowchart maps the cognitive loop at play. Finishing a story triggers a powerful cognitive reward, providing the reader with immediate literary satisfaction and a tangible sense of achievement. This quick, reliable dopamine hit of finishing a story creates a psychological hunger for more, encouraging the reader to seek out longer, deeper reading materials. Establishing these manageable literary habits is a necessary first step toward rebuilding a robust reading culture in a distracted generation. The deployment potential across educational environments is massive. These pocketbooks can be integrated into school libraries, reading corners, and classroom waiting areas. The format is inherently flexible. Bilingual editions allow localized stories to cross language barriers without losing their cultural soul, characters, or specific settings. A future of frictionless access is possible. Imagine CETERPEN vending machines at bus stops and transit hubs, making a physical story as easy to grab as a snack. The ultimate goal is interactive. As students consume these stories, the accessible format inspires them to write, fold, and publish their own CETERPENs. CETERPEN D'SAKU bridges the gap between the reader, their limited time, and the world of a story. Shrinking the format preserves our capacity for deep thought while making literature compatible with the pace of modern life.